Hey Bestie, welcome or welcome back. It's Lisa here, in person. I just want to invite you into my craft room today. Let's have some fun. We're going to craft together. I've got my tea in my favorite cup with my favorite scripture. I found these plush throws at the Dollar Tree, $5 each. It was Dollar Tree Plus. Got to tell you, they're so cute and look how much you get. We're going to make some fun stuff with these. Let's get crafting together.
I'm going to take this red and white snowflake plush throw, and it was $5 at Dollar Tree Plus section. And then I've got this cute little piece here that was in the wood section of the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree. And I've got a little snowman ornament also from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut out a piece of this plush throw where it says, "Let it snow." I'm going to make sure that I, put that right over the top so I know where to cut. I'm going to cut kind of around it first, and then I'll do a better cut afterwards. I just want to make sure I have a smaller piece to work with to start. These plush throws are so large you could make so many things out of them, besides using it, of course, as a throw. So now I'm just going to take some Beacon fabric tack glue and I'm going to put it on one side all around the edges. I like to do things like this kind of in sections, and then I'll just make sure it's all over there and I'll lay down that first side. And then we'll lift up the other side and do the exact same thing and attach it with the Beacon fabric tack glue. I'm going to take my brayer and just try to make sure it's even adhered better than using my hands. Now I'm going to take my scissors and very carefully go around and trim. I tried to do it with the X-Acto knife. It just kind of pulled on the throw, so I thought it actually worked better with the scissors. So there it is, nice and trimmed, and we are going to take a mop head and a little piece of that, and we're actually going to line around the edges so it didn't have to be perfect. It was just so much easier to do this. Plus, I love that pop of white because it kind of brings out the white in the little throw piece that we've got on there. And I'm just using hot glue to attach that all the way around. Now I'm going to take this little snowman ornament. I'm going to snip off the hanger part because we really don't need that for this one. I'm going to put a generous amount of hot glue right on the back, and I'm just going to position him on this piece. I thought that was so cute for it to say, "Let it snow," have snowflakes, and then have a little snowman on there. I've got this beautiful kind of sparkly snowy greenery from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to start adding some little pieces here and there around the snowman. And I just thought that added such a nice touch to put that on there. It was so shiny like the snowman, and I thought it looked good. I'm also going to add some little red berries just for, that pop of color over there. And then add a little bit more going down, almost like a little swag. This is so cute, and it was so easy. It came together so quickly. You'll have to let me know what you think. I just love this one. I think it's fun. I'm going to use both the different plush throws that I got. I have that red one with the snowflakes, and then I've got a white one with Christmas trees on it. And then I found these blocks at a thrift store a while back, and I thought, oh, I've got a great idea for them. We're going to make some fake presents and wrap them with these throws. I thought that would be so pretty. So I'm just going to figure out about what, it's just like wrapping paper. Just figure out about how much I need to cover this up, and I will cut that out. And I'm going to do that for all 3 of the blocks. And of course, 2 are square and 1 is rectangle. That's just what I had. You could do whatever you want. And you don't have to use wood blocks. You could use any other kind of shape blocks that you want. So I'm going to do a couple of them in the green and 1 in the red. Now I'm just kind of trimming because I had some funny edges from previous projects. And I'm going to start wrapping them just like you would wrap a present. But I'm going to use hot glue. And this would be easy to take off if you needed to at another time if you want to use the blocks for something else. And then I'll cut off the excess on the sides and just wrap it like a present. And I'll use the hot glue every step of the way to wrap this. If you are enjoying this video, I hope you will share it with friends and family who might like it also. That is one of the best ways you can help and support my channel, and I appreciate it so much because I've got the nicest people who watch this channel. Honestly, I'm just convinced of it more and more every time I read your comments. It's so fun, and I love how you talk to each other too. I mean, consider that this is a group of crafting besties, and we just have so much fun, and we all have so much in common. So definitely reach out, say hi to each other. If you agree with something someone says, let them know, like their comments, that kind of stuff, and be sure to share with your friends. Now we're going to add some of these ribbons that Dollar Tree had for Christmas that were so pretty. And I'm going to make some bows and just add some extra color to them and add some bells. I'm even making an extra little couple loops out of the gold one, and I'll just like glue that right to the top. It'll be so fun. And so you could set these out as decor. You could put them under your tree. They could go up on a shelf, wherever you need just some pop of color kind of thing that's very festive and fun for the season. I love adding bells to things. They're just so fun. And now this other one, I'm going to use a smaller Dollar Tree ribbon because I thought it would be nice to have them looking a little bit different. And we'll just go ahead and tie a nice bow on that as well. With the one-sided ribbons, you just have to be careful to make sure that the part that has a pattern is showing. And then here's the last one, just adding a red ribbon from Dollar Tree. And of course, always fluffing the bows. And I'm going to add another bow on top of this one with the green mesh and just hot glue that right in there so that way we've got color and another bell. And now I've got these other cute little round ornaments from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add this to the red gift. I thought that just matched so perfectly, and I'm going to add a teeny bit of greenery as well just to, make it a little bit more fun and festive, and some glittery gold branches. So now we've got 3 cute little wrap presents that are great for decor. Look how cute, and they're soft like the plush throw that they're made out of. Let me know what you think. Now, because I've got all this plush throw fabric, of course I had to make a pillow. So I'm using the white one with the green Christmas trees on it. And I've got this pillow that just doesn't match any of my stuff anymore. So instead of getting rid of it, I'm just going to cover it. And I'll make a permanent cover. I don't need to do a temporary one on this one. I don't mind at all. So I'm going to figure out how much I need and trim down the sides so that I have just enough to work with. You can also make one that's removable, and that is definitely an option. I just chose to do it this way. Now I'm going to start gluing some of the sides to the pillow just to hold it in place. I'm also going to get rid of the big end seams that were on the throw because we don't need those thicker pieces. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to position the pillow on there, wrap it around nice and taut, and then I'm going to get my hot glue, and you can use fabric tack glue if you want. I just like hot glue for quickie things like this. I'm not too worried about it. And I'm going to start securing it so that we've got at least a nice base for building this pillow cover. And we'll do the same thing on the other sides. Now, once we get all the sides on, we'll continue to trim it down, and we'll fold in each of the ends and like make a seam out of it, and then we'll attach the pieces together. You see how I'm making like a little hem on the edge here? We'll do that wherever we need to clean up an edge. We'll just make a hem using hot glue. Pillows are expensive these days, so if you just wanted to have something for, the season, you're not too worried about how fancy it is. This turns out really cute, and with the plush throw on it, it's nice and cuddly and soft. I really like it. So now we're just going to attach the end piece here right over the edge and make it a nice clean seam. And I'll go back and secure if there's any spots that weren't really hitting, as nice as I wanted them to. It's very easy to go back and fix that. Now we're going to do this around all of the edges that were left open. And here I am just finishing it up with the last little pieces that needed to be sealed. And there it is. Look how cute and cuddly this pillow is. I'm afraid one of my dogs is going to take it over because she loves blankets like this. Well, I'm hoping maybe I get to hold it once in a while. Anyway, I love how easy it was and how it turned out. Let me know what you think. I'm going to use this red snowflake plush throw that I got from the Dollar Tree Plus section and this beautiful kind of mirrored vase. I believe that's also from the Dollar Tree from quite a while ago. I'm going to measure a piece that would go all the way around and just kind of cut off an edge of that. This has got to be one of the easiest projects ever. I'm just going to cut like a rectangular shape that would fit across that center flat area of the vase. So see how I'm positioning it so I can see exactly where to cut. And then I'm going to hot glue that all the way around. And this is like almost like creating a little cozy for this vase, but it's just for fun because it's just going to look so festive during the season. So we'll hot glue that all the way around and then cut off any excess. I'm using hot glue for this because I really just couldn't think of any reason why it wouldn't be the best option. It was fast, easy, and it sticks perfectly. Plus, if you ever wanted to change this out, it does come off with heat. So there it is. And now I'm going to take this cute little wreath ornament with a cardinal in it from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to get rid of that hanger and I'm going to hot glue it right on the center there of this little cozy that we've made. I'm going to add some little frosty pics around it just to kind of make it even more beautiful and interesting. Little teeny pieces is all I'm going to do, because this is a very small little wreath. You could embellish this any way you want or not at all if you just like the ornament or a different ornament, whatever you want. There's so many options for what you could put on this. I love the way this is looking. I think it's so cute. I'm going to add some red berries as well because I felt like I added a bunch of those pics and I needed to bring back a little bit of the color. So I'm just going to put those right at the top. I thought that would be super cute just to kind of draw a little bit of attention to the top of the wreath. There were a couple of spots that I thought it just needed something more to cover something up, so that's what I did. And that is it. That's all there is. You don't even have to do as much as I did. I just really love how it turned out. And I added some berries for just showing you the reveal, but you could put whatever you want in here. I think it's beautiful. Let me know what you think. Ready for more inspiration? Here's another video I think you'll really like. If you click on it, I will see you there. You are truly a blessing to me. Bye!